Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have completed with the modeling of this bedroom over here. So let's continue it with the texturing part. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's select the base first. Let's go into the material editor and let's give a Vray material. So let's assign, so let's go into rendering, go into render setup, and let's activate the Vray over here. So I'll just activate this Vray option. So once it is done, let's go over here and take a Vray material for the base. So what I'll be doing over here is like, let's go into diffuse, go into bitmap, and go into this texture. So we do have different textures over here. So I'll just assign the color over here, and again go down. We do have a V-ray bump to normal. I'll connect it with a bump map. Go again into the bitmap and let's assign this bump map to it as well. So we can do this stuff if needed. I can just make it to 2 by 2 over here, looks better, and I can just rename it as floor, slide, give a bit of reflections if required. Now again I'll go over here, let's select this and this. So before we do such selections, I'll again go into this and let's give a cut over here, connect it, again so once you're done with this, I'll just end isolate this. I'll just select the whole thing. So later on we'll just apply the texture over here for this. So again go into the material and let's again take a V-ray material, let's go over here, make it as black, give a bit of reflection, slightly I can increase its glossiness if needed. assign it. So this is going to happen over here as well. So if you need, you can just press Ctrl I inverse, and I can just assign this material over here. Similarly, the same way, press Ctrl I, will just assign the material. Again, I'll go over here, so for now I'll just assign the whole of this material. So later on we'll just change it when we'll be working with the net material. I do have that as well over here, so we can assign that. I'll just open Photoshop over here. Now let's go over here, let's select this, go into the material, take a Vray material, go into diffuse bitmap, and we do have fabric material. So that's the color. Vray bump to normal. Okay. So I'll just connect it with the bump map. So I can add a normal map to it. So once you've assigned, I can go into this and let's give a UVW map. Let's add a UVW map. You can just set it as a box, can slightly increase the height and width. Alright, I'll just end isolate this. Again, go over here. Let's again take a Vray material, bitmap. So we can just take one fabric material, in this way, and if we need, we can just slightly increase the tiling of it. Again, let's connect it with a bump map. So let's make it as 2 by 2 again over here if needed. So I can go into the Photoshop and I can make a alpha map as well over here if needed. So I can just go into this, I'll select this black, go into select, say similar, and we can just delete this. I can just save as it, color, and again select this, and you can just give a white color, you can just inverse it and give a black color, and we'll save this as alpha over here. You can try to apply it. So I'll go into this, convert to poly, so go into the material, let's take Vray material, so we do have a transparency, that's refract. We can try to apply the alpha over here. So again go into this, so let's go into rendering, render setup, alright. What we'll do, we'll just check this out later. So before that we'll just complete our texturing stuff, the rest of the elements which are just left out. Okay, yeah, looks better, it's looking white. So we need to remove this white patch, we can just remove that. We'll still make this cane net a bit smaller over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.